How to understand Satmyatah Pariksha? What is the concept behind Satmyatah Pariksha as per the Ayurveda and conventional understanding? This is the topic of this particular video. Dear ANA community members, press the like button and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that the YouTube algorithms will be fetching you the right information, right time for the right person. When we speak about the Satmyatah Pariksha, this is considered to be one of the Dashavidha Atura Pariksha mentioned in Charaka Samhita, wherein we are going to analyze Atura Bala Pramana, wherein the strength of the diseased individual, Atura Dosha Pramana, where we are going to analyze the strength of the vitiated dosha in the body, and Atura Ayu Pramana. We are going to identify the lifespan of an individual who is suffering from the disease. So here, the term Satmya refers to the dietary pattern, the nature of the diet pattern of an individual we are going to analyze. So that is being discussed to be Satmyatah cha iti Satmyam nama tatu yatu satatyena upasevyam upashete tatra e घृत क्षीर तैल मांसरससात्म्योः सर्वरससात्म्याश्च ते बलवन्तः क्लेशसाः चिरजीविनश्च भवन्ति रुक्षसात्म्याः पुनः एकसात्म्याः च ए ते प्रायेण अल्पबल अल्पक्लेशसः अल्पायुषो अल्पसाधनाश्च भवन्ति व्यामिश्रसात्म्याः तु ए ते मध्यबलाः सात्म्यनिमित्ततो भवन्ति. So here the term Satmya refers to the person who is continuously habituated to certain diet patterns. The person may be habituated to the continuous consumption of idli only, idli or idli sambar only, or some other individuals are mainly habituated to the consumption of paratha continuously, paratha only. Some other people are mainly habituated to the consumption of coconut oil only. Some other individuals are mainly habituated to the consumption of what do you say that the sarsha patela or mustard oil only. In that way, the continuous habituation towards the particular substances, they are considered to be the satmya. They are of the three categories: Pravara, Madhyama, and Avara. Wherein the Pravara, as such, that is being mentioned to be Ghrita, Shira, Taila, Mamsa, Rasa Satmyaha. The persons are habituated to consumption of Ghrita, Shira, that is Ghrita, ghee, milk, Taila, oil, and Mamsa Rasa, that is meat soup. Sarva Rasa Satmyaha, where the persons are habituated to consume all six rasa substances. Balavantah, they are comparatively more stronger. Kleshasaha, that means they can able to withstand any kind of the discomfort as such. Chirajeevinascha bhavanti, they are having the longer lifestyle. Whereas Ruksha Satmyaha, they are considered to be Avara Satmyaha, Ruksha Satmyaha. They are comparatively having the habituation to consume ruksha substances. Punah eka rasa satmyaha, they are going to consume simply the one rasa only continuously, and they are usually alpabalaha. Because of the consumption of only one rasa substance, they are usually having the less strength. Alpa klesha sahaha, they are unable to withstand the slightest amount of the discomfort. Alpayusho, they are usually having the shorter lifestyle. Whereas Vyamishra Satmyaha, a Madhyabalaha, they are comparatively coming in between the Pravara and Avara, they are considered to be Madhyama Satmya. Sometimes the persons are habituated to consume Madhura and Amla rasa substance, it could be a Madhyama Satmya. Sometimes the persons are habituated to consume Katu, Amla and Lavana rasa substances. Again, it is an example for Madhyama Satmya. Sometimes the persons are habituated to consume Katu, Madhura rasa substance. Again, it could be the Madhyama Satmya as such. These are the examples. Ghrita substance or Ghrita intake, that is where the persons are continuously consuming the substances continuously every day or regularly, that is considered to be Pravara Satmya. So here it is an example for Pravara Satmya. This is an example for Pravara Satmya, continuous consumption of Kshira, continuous consumption of the, what do you say, that the Taila. So here this is an example for Tila Taila. Whereas Avara Satmya, they are usually Ruksha Satmyaha. They are going to have the Ruksha substances habituation. Punah Ekarasa Satmyaha. They are going to consume only the one rasa substance, maybe Katurasa substance only, or maybe Madhura rasa substance only, etc. So here this is an example for the Ruksha Satmyaha. Ekarasa Satmya, continuous consumption of Madhura rasa itself. That is an example for, what do you say, that Avara Satmya. So here this is an example for Madhyama Satmya. So here the persons are going to consume Madhura, Amla rasa substances as such, that is considered to be an example for Madhyama Satmya. They are usually having the medium strength as such. To sum up, Satmyatah Pariksha, that is mentioned in the context of Dashavidha Atura Pariksha, wherein we are going to concentrate upon analyzing the Atura Bala Pramana, Atura Dosha Pramana and Atura Ayu Pramana. Satmyatah Pariksha is actually helpful in predicting the diet pattern of an individual. Depending upon the nature of the quality of the food intake, three categories of Satmyatah Pariksha they are being made, that is Pravara, Madhyama and Avara. Pravara refers to where the persons are going to consume Ghrita, Kshira, Taila or Mamsa Rasa continuously, and the people are having the consumption of all six rasa substances at a particular time period, whereas Avara Satmya, they are going to have the consumption of either Ruksha Guna substances frequently, or they are going to have the consumption of only one rasa substance intake. Whereas Madhyama Satmya, they are going to be present in between the Pravara Satmya and Madhyama Satmya. In the sense, the persons are habituated to consume either two rasa substances or three rasa substances or four rasa substances or five rasa substances, which are actually leading to Madhyama Bala of an individual or Madhyama Ayus of an individual. Dear AN community members, that's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from this particular video? Mention in the comment box below. What is the one video that you'd like to hear in the coming days in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box below and spread this particular video to maximum number of true Nidana learners so that we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.